everyone! Today we're going to make a really simple, very easy recipe. You can make it home with probably everything you have in your kitchen cupboard anyways. We're going to make scrub cubes. So it's going to be a really nice gift, or you can use it for yourself obviously. You just need a few ingredients. Coconut oil, we already melted this one au bain-marie. But if it's warm outside, obviously it will be liquid anyways. But in the Netherlands, normally it's solid. We're going to use sugar, organic sugar, just normal sugar. The coconut oil is also organic, cold pressed. And then optional would be to add a little bit of sunflower oil, just to make it a bit softer, because the coconut oil will solidify in colder climates, and then your scrub cubes will be really hard. So it's nice to make it a little bit softer with some sunflower oil. If you'd like to experiment a little bit more, you could add a little bit of cacao butter, really nice, really good for the skin, and smells like chocolate, so that's also an added plus. And then we have some shea butter, if you like. You could also add that, which will really moisturize the skin a bit more. And it's just a very nice ingredient to add. Today we're just going to make the simplest version, super fast. We're going to mix the sugar with the coconut oil and a bit of sunflower oil. And then we're going to put them in an ice cube container. You'll have nice cubes, then you can put them in a nice jar, maybe put a nice ribbon around it, and you'll have a perfect gift for someone, or for yourself, obviously. So, first, when we get started, we're going to make sure that everything is clean and disinfected. That's very important. So we have rubbing alcohol, it's 96% alcohol. We're going to disinfect the jar, the measuring cup, and the spoon. Make sure that you wash your hands and that everything is clean. So now we're just... My bag, 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of oil. It's also really a matter of just experimenting, because so I added mostly coconut oil and I'm adding a bit of sunflower oil. You can use any other oil. Olive oil also makes a really great scrub. Very good for dry and mature skin. So we're going to start mixing, and if you have any essential oils at home, you could add some essential oils, a few drops of lavender for a really nice calming, relaxing scrub before bedtime, or for example some lime, which is really nice, and especially in the morning it will really freshen you up. This time I'm going for the lime because I really love the scent of the coconut oil with the lime. It makes me feel tropical holidays. So the ice cubes. Hi. So we're back. In the meantime, we put the sugar cubes in the fridge for half an hour. And now they're all solidified because of the coconut oil, and we can pop them out. In summertime, when it's warmer, it's better to put them in the fridge. Or if you choose to make some with shea butter, cacao butter, or some beeswax, you can also keep them like this in the summer. They're great for under the shower. Just take a scrub cube out, and you can use 1 cube per shower. So enjoy. Bye.